Hello, good day my fellow collectors. This is Red Apple 921 again and welcome back to another edition of Funko Pop Unboxing. And today I'm going to share with you Funko Pop, another Funko Pop basketball line. And the figure that I'm going to share with you is tada! Funko Pop basketball from the USA Basketball Dream Team, Michael Jordan. But before we do the unboxing, let's take a quick look at the artwork of the box. Here you can still see the iconic window display box of the Funko Pop. Then you will see the logo of Pop Basketball, the logo of the Dream Team USA Basketball Team. Then you can see here the 3D promo photo of the figure. By the way, the figure is based on the Dream Team, Michael Jordan. Here you can also see the holographic sticker of the NBA, which means it's a licensed product. Then you will see here the exclusive sticker of Hobby Stock, US sticker. This is a Target exclusive. Then Michael Jordan, number 114. Other side, Pop Basketball, Hardwood Classic, Michael Jordan. At the back, you can see the hardwood. Then the photo of 3D promo photo of the figure of Michael Jordan. Michael Jordan, full body of the Pop, top and bottom. Now guys, for a quick and fast unboxing, let's do this now. Tada! Now let's take a closer look at the figure. By the way guys, the 1992 US basketball team, or the Dream Team, is one of the greatest rostered ever assembled. This is in collaboration with the US basketball team and NBA, headed by Mr. Stern. And they were called the Dream Team because of the Sports Illustrated cover of February of 1991, featuring the 5 player: Jordan, Magic Johnson, Karl Malone, Charles Barkley, and Patrick Ewing. Then in the front cover, there is a word across the page, and it says Dream Team. That is the history of the USA basketball Dream Team. Now let's take a closer look at the figure. Here you can see the iconic design of the Pop, the big head and the big black round eyes. I like the skin tone, the color of the skin tone. I also like the detail of the jersey, USA basketball jersey. I like the combination of the white, blue, red, and I think this is black. I like the detail. You can see Jordan at the back, Jordan name at the back, the shirt, and Jordan is playing under the number 9. I like the detail, so nice. I also like the pose. It's a great addition to my basketball NBA collection. Oh look guys, two-tone, so nice. Okay, I guess that's it guys. Please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, thanks for watching. Please stay safe and God bless.